Now see children, Brazil has a sea coast of around 7,400 km and excellent fishing grounds of the South Atlantic coast. The meeting of the warm Brazil current and cold Falkland currents off the coast of southeast Brazil makes it a good fishing ground. Traditionally, fishing has been carried on by small groups of individual fishermen using primitive techniques and equipment. But now large vessels are being used. Swordfish, shrimp, lobster, sardines are mainly caught. The fish resources of the Amazon rivers are not developed, I think. So that is the reason why inland fishing is not developed in Brazil. Especially southern coast is fishing is done in south coast. So Amazon rivers are not exploited much and fishing only take place at small scale. So already I told you that Amazon river, as it is due to inaccessibility, the inland fishing is not developed there. Now right side, give it a try. You know that activity is to be done by you. We will just discuss a little bit. The following images are related to agriculture activities. Identify and write whether they are practiced in Brazil or India. So that is first figure you can make out right side, that is production agriculture of cocoa beans. So that is in Brazil, because you know world largest producer of cocoa is Brazil. Next it is given for tea leaves. So here it is this is the place in India. We know the Darjeeling and northeastern part of Darjeeling, Assam, they are very good. They are having very good tea plantation. Understood? Now next you can see what is related to agriculture activities. That is zoom activity. That is burning or slashing of the agriculture field. We have already studied in your previous lessons. So that is another agriculture activity or method which is adopted by various Indian farmers in our country, especially in the northeastern part. Understood? Now next is the paddy cultivation. You know this is very important part of agriculture activity. So again it is the picture of from India. So this type of picture we can make out that various agriculture activity, though these two countries are developing countries. So many activities related to primary activities or production of raw material, especially it is done in these in these countries. Understood? So these activities, these figures are related to primary activities, that is agriculture activities. Understood? So this is about your agriculture activity. So come to the important part, fishing. So fishing is done especially in the southern coast of Brazil. Inland fishing is not much popular in Brazil. Understood?